guys, Stone and RC here. Just a quick comparison of the 50 tooth pinion center dip that came from Italian. This one, the one on the left side. Oh, that's loud. Yeah, this one came from Italian 50 tooth pinion, and this one I got it from Felony 46 tooth pinion. So I'm gonna be using this on the Italian. I'm gonna install it today, and we're gonna do a speed test to see what's gonna be the speed difference between these two center diff. So stay tuned, guys. See you in a bit. There she is, guys. It took me about 2 minutes to install the center diff, and she's all ready for speed test. So we're gonna do that on the next video, guys. Stay tuned. Again, thank you guys for watching. Peace.